Dallas man kills bird, but bird's DNA helps solve his murder. Location: Dallas, Texas, USA. In Dallas, Texas, a man killed a bird in a violent outburst, but this act inadvertently helped solve a murder. The bird's claws, which had come into contact with the suspect during the altercation, contained valuable DNA evidence. Investigators discovered the DNA from the bird's talons matched the suspect's, linking him directly to the crime scene and the murder of the bird's owner. This case became one of the first to use bird DNA in a criminal investigation, highlighting how pet DNA, no matter the species, can play a vital role in securing justice and solving crimes.